If you're already using FaucetPay or you're looking for easy ways to earn crypto online without dealing with high fees, this video is for you. Today I'll show you two earning platforms, CoinDog and CryptoEarns, and how you can use them to earn crypto that gets paid directly into your FaucetPay account. Why use FaucetPay? Before we look at the platforms, let's talk about why FaucetPay is important. FaucetPay is a micro wallet designed to collect small crypto payments from different websites in one place. Instead of sending tiny transactions directly to your personal wallet, which usually means high blockchain fees, FaucetPay collects everything first. You can then withdraw or exchange your earnings whenever you're ready. How Coindoo works. Let's start with Coindoo. Coindoo is a crypto earning platform that rewards users for completing simple online activities. These usually include pay-to-click ads, short tasks, offers, and reward-based actions. Each activity pays a small amount of cryptocurrency. Individually, the rewards are small, but when you stay consistent, they can slowly add up over time. Coindoo, FaucetPay payments. One of Coindoo's best features is direct FaucetPay payouts. After creating an account, you simply connect your FaucetPay details. From that point on, your earnings are automatically sent to your FaucetPay balance. There's no need to manually request withdrawals, and you avoid unnecessary transaction fees. How CryptoEarns works. Now let's move on to CryptoEarns. CryptoEarns follows a similar concept. It's a micro-earning platform where users earn crypto by completing ads, offers, short tasks, and reward activities. CryptoEarns is designed for users who prefer steady, consistent earnings rather than quick payouts. The more active you are, the more opportunities you unlock. CryptoEarns, FaucetPay payments. Just like Coindoo, CryptoEarns supports direct FaucetPay payments. Once your FaucetPay account is connected, your earnings are credited directly to your FaucetPay wallet. This makes tracking your earnings simple and keeps everything organized in one place. Important tips and realistic expectations. It's important to be realistic. Platforms like CoinDoo and CryptoEarns are designed for micro-earnings, not guaranteed income. They're best used as a way to earn small amounts of crypto in your spare time, learn how crypto systems work, and slowly build a balance over time. Always use strong passwords and withdraw regularly. To summarize, CoinDoo and CryptoEarns are two simple platforms that let you earn crypto online and receive payments directly to FaucetPay. If you're already using FaucetPay, these sites can be a useful addition to your earning routine. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto earning guides.